What if a computer could uncover secrets buried for 2000 years? In 2024, a team of archaeologists from the Japanese University of Yamagata's Nazca Institute, in collaboration with IBM Research, used AI to discover 303 previously unknown geoglyphs depicting parrots, cats, monkeys, and killer whales, and even severed heads near the Nazca Lines in Peru desert. But what are those Nazca lines? The Nazca lines are massive drawings scratched into desert floor in southern Peru, created by the Nazca civilization over 2000 years ago. These geoglyphs include straight lines, geometric shapes, animal and human figures like monkeys, spiders, birds, and mysterious humanoids. Some are over 1,000 feet long, big enough to be seen only from the sky. In 1994, they were declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Why are they important? What is the need for this project? Their purpose is still unknown. Some believe they were religious symbols, astronomical calendars, pathways for rituals. They are one of the world's biggest ancient mysteries. But why do we need IBM scientists to do this project? Many geoglyphs have faded or been damaged by erosion, climate, and human activity. Finding them manually is difficult. It's a huge desert, and many lines are faint or hidden. That's where IBM's AI came in to help archaeologists discover new and endangered geoglyphs using machine learning and satellite imagery. In 2018, Yamagata University in Japan had already been studying the Nazca lines for over 15 years. They teamed up with IBM Japan and its AI system called Watson Machine Learning Community Edition. Their goal is, can AI find ancient geoglyphs that humans might miss? Here comes the most important part, how the AI project worked. A step by step process of how IBM used AI and a complete life cycle of AI project to uncover mysteries of Peru desert by finding the exact number of geoglyphs or so called Nazca lines. The first step of this project is collecting the data. Researchers collected thousands of aerial images of the Nazca desert using drones, satellites, field photography. These images included known geoglyphs like the famous monkey spider and bird figures, and unknown geoglyphs that they didn't discover yet. After collecting the data, we need to teach AI model what to look for, and that step is called as labeling the data. Archaeologists manually marked where known geoglyphs were in the images. This process is called as annotation or data labeling. These labeled images help train the AI to recognize patterns of real geoglyphs. For analogy, like teaching a child to spot animals by showing many photos labeled cat, dog, etc. As soon as the step of annotation gets completed, we need to train the AI model by choosing a right machine learning model. IBM used convolutional neural network, a type of deep learning algorithm which is very good at analyzing images. Convolutional neural networks learn to recognize shapes, edges, and patterns, perfect for spotting lines and figures in desert images. The algorithm learns if a shape looks like this, it's probably a geoglyph. They use IBM Watson machine learning CE to build and train these AI models. After we train the AI model, we need to test the AI model now by scanning new images so that AI can make predictions. Once trained, the AI was used to analyze new, unlabeled desert images. It scanned these images to predict where new geoglyphs might exist. When it spotted shapes similar to the ones it learned, it flagged those areas for human review. Now, the flagged areas need to be verified by archaeological experts. Is AI right or not? Human archaeologists visited the flagged locations. They confirmed whether the shapes were genuine geoglyphs or natural formation. This step ensured accuracy and validated AI's predictions. The performance of any AI model or ML model will get increased based on how much data we use for training. If we increase the size of the data, the machine learning model can learn more. So, in this step, we are doing refinement and learning again. The newly confirmed geoglyphs were added to the training data. The AI model were trained with this updated data. This improvement and the model's ability to find even more suitable models made this process even more easier of finding complex geoglyphs in the future. So let's quickly break down the main tools and techniques used in this project. First, they collected images of the desert using drones, satellites, and ground photography. That's how they built the visual database. Then came annotation, where archaeologists manually labeled known geoglyphs in the images to teach the AI what to look for. For the AI model itself, they used something called a convolutional neural network or a CNN, a type of deep learning that is really good at understanding the patterns in images. All of this was powered by IBM Watson machine learning, which helped train and deploy the AI model. And finally, there was a smart feedback loop. The AI made predictions, human verified them, and then the model learned from the feedback to keep getting better. In short, ancient mystery meet modern technology. If you got a doubt, what exactly is the purpose of using IBM Watson here? IBM Watson is a cloud based AI platform that helps build and train smart AI models. It allowed researchers to use deep learning tools like neural networks all from the cloud with no need for huge local servers to save the data. In simple terms, Watson gave them the brain power to teach AI how to spot ancient lines buried in the deserts. Now let's see what exactly did the AI find. Turns out a lot. The system helped uncover over 140 previously unknown geoglyphs scattered across the Nazca Desert. These were not big, bold lines we usually see in textbooks. Many were smaller, older, and extremely hard to spot. Some were barely 10 meters wide. Among the newly found figures were some fascinating shapes. A humanoid figure with its arms stretching wide, possibly a warrior or even a deity. A two headed snake devouring what looks like a human. A super rare find. And more animals, birds, monkeys, fish, and cats. Some even more complex than the famous one we know. And here is the shocking part. A few of these geoglyphs were found under the roads or near construction sites, meaning they were at serious risk of being destroyed without anyone ever knowing they existed. What makes these discoveries so powerful is this. Many were so faded or worn down by time that the human eye alone couldn't spot them. But AI saw what we couldn't and gave archaeologists a second chance to study and protect them before they disappear forever. While the AI made incredible discoveries, it was not perfect. It could only find what it was trying to recognize. It sometimes got confused by shadows, rocks, or man made damage. And most importantly, it could not understand the meaning behind these ancient lines. That part still needs the human touch, but that is the beauty of it. When humans and AI work together, we uncover stories that were once lost to time. The Nazca Lines project was not just a tech experiment. It was a reminder that even the oldest mysteries can find new life through innovation. And who knows, maybe the next ancient secret is just a line of code away.